Hello, and welcome. Oh, welcome back to the basement. Oh dear. Some of the records have fallen, and I don't want to step on them. Oh dear. So I won't. Oh god. Oh. Okay. So, hello again. David Bradley here. I was looking at this vintage, ancient stapler that was my grandfather's because it has his name on it, and I wanted to see about switching the configuration of how it staples. And I did find a screwdriver. It does seem to fit. I'm going to loosen this. Oh, is that all? Okay, it's going in. Oh. Uh-huh. Okay, so I thought it was maybe something that needed to twist, but it isn't actually. You just loosen off the screw, and the thing that decides how the staple goes slides back. Now, if I could just get the screwdriver back in, I could secure this. I think some staplers now have a way where you can swap it, like push up, twist it around, and I really don't understand why or when you would use the thing that staples the other way. Let me test this one more time. Oh, I think I have a jam. I think I do. Oh, I think I dropped it. Hang on. Am I in the right page? Okay, you probably can't see this. I can barely see this. There's the stapler bent in instead of out. And so there, just like that. And of course it opens. Hello. I had it open. Now what's going on? Okay. It opens. I had the top open. I did. Oh, maybe I don't have to do that. No. Alright, well, I guess you fill it by pulling out this thing and sliding it in and pushing it down. It's funny, I did have this open. Ooh. But it doesn't want to do that anymore. Very strange that. The stapler caper has been solved. So maybe, if I'm brave, although I know it's not a good thing to take anything anywhere and have it be safe. Maybe as I set up my desk at my workplace, maybe I will take that. Kind of interesting that, of course, I work in an educational institution. Kind of interesting that almost 100 years later that stapler might be making a return. Not to the same school, but to a high school. So I need to get these records to stand up so I don't step on them. Oh, golly. And that seems to be something difficult. So, I will do things one foot at a time. Oh, golly. I'll put them in a different spot because this is not the first time they've fallen. Oh, man. But it's going to be the last time I'm going to deal with this like that. Oh, I can reach them. I will use the screwdriver. Flip them up. I'll put them over here. Great fun. Great fun. Alright. Oh, there's a bag. Oh, that's. I remember what this is. This is a record bag that I will put this record of the first family back into when it goes back into the envelope. Now here's something here. I've always wondered how I got these and why. Oh, look, that is a heavy duty exhaust pipe. I believe it is some sort of Harley thing. And who knows? Maybe one day it will end up on my old Civic car, but it is heavy. I'm not so sure that I would be pleased to have that on there. Or perhaps I will find somebody else who is intrigued. It would certainly take some sort of clamp. It would have to be secure. And I think this is supposed to go in the frame. I don't think it would be happy. And of course, where there's one, there's two. I'll have to see about that. I'll have to see about that. So, well, I think that's about all for today. So thank you for coming. Have a lovely, lovely, lovely day. And we'll see you again. Back in the basement. Back in the basement. Oh, yeah. I really got to get back to the pet room. And the TV room. And the box room. And, well, everything. Stay tuned. Bye for now.